My name is Chris Ellis. I'm 35. I've been diagnosed with thyroid cancer, stage 4. Well, I was first diagnosed in October of 2014, and by December of the same year, I was able to have my first surgery. It did not go according to plan. After about 4 hours of surgery, the surgeon came out, talked to my wife, saying that he could continue to cut, but I would no longer be able to swallow, I would no longer be able to talk, and I would have to have a feeding tube and probably a trach in my throat to be able to breathe. And that kind of quality of life at 35 wasn't really appealing to me. So she asked him to sew me back up and give me back to her. And when I got that news, I was pretty crushed. Everyone was crying. Everyone thought I would be dead within the next couple of years, not being able to do anything because it was too far gone for that particular surgeon. He said my best option was to find a better surgeon, and so that's what I went out to do. We came about the Mayo from a friend of mine who suggested the Mayo was the best, and that if they couldn't fix me, that no one could. And he set up an appointment to see Dr. Hinni.
Well, Chris had what we call differentiated thyroid cancer, and I learned that he'd had a pretty extensive operation at another Phoenix hospital, and it turned into a bit of an exploration. And he simply was closed and referred for palliative care or hospice. And as a young man, at his stage in life, he deserved a little bit more than the college try, as they say.
After meeting him, it was night and day difference between the two surgeons. So going into a new doctor that I hadn't met before, it definitely gave us comfort knowing that people care.
So we operated on him, and we took our time and actually sent him to the recovery room cured, or at least freed of his cancer with no residual disease remaining. That was a great experience.
When I came out and it was a success, it was tears of joy.
I have the best job in the world. Extremely rewarding. Yeah, it's just a privilege to be able to help somebody like that.
It's like a second chance, Not everyone gets a second chance. I hear that all the time, but I mean, it's true, and it feels wonderful. A second lease on life. I have hope now.